What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at this GTI. So we've got the stock exhaust, as you can see here, and we are going to be upgrading to this stainless steel CTS exhaust. All right, so let's get right into the video and get this exhaust swapped out. Okay, so this is the stock exhaust. We can see we've got a bracket here. We've got two bolts here. These are both 13s. We've got this bracket here. These 4 bolts are also 13s. And when we come back to the back here, you've got 2 options. You can either release it from the hanger, or you can take down the entire hardware. These are also 13s. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we actually have the car a little lower to the ground now to limit the amount of travel this full exhaust has to hit the floor. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen off these brackets, lower it down, and get this exhaust taken out. So next up, we got to get these the hardware off of here and transfer it over to the new exhaust. All right, so we went ahead and we got all the hardware off of the stock exhaust of the GTI. So now we're gonna prep things and get everything back set to put this CTS exhaust back into the car. So let's get to it. Okay, so now that we've got everything set in place, we can start making the adjustments and tighten up these brackets. Now that we got this exhaust installed, it's time to give it a crank. Okay, so let's recap. We took out the stock exhaust, and what I can say is that the stock exhaust has quite a bit of weight to it. It is fairly heavy, so it's nice to know that that load has been lightened on the GTI. We got the CTS exhaust installed. It's not a bad kit, nice, easy bolt together, pretty straightforward, and much lighter at that. We did get to rev it up a little bit to kind of hear the sound. It is a little bit deeper, but we're gonna have to put the downpipe on there to really open up the sound on this GTI. As for this video, we're done. There'll be more coming on this GTI, but I'll catch you guys on the next one.